Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Yuvraj Shukla and today we are going to be covering the buffer stock and PDS as said in the last video. And I'm sorry video thoda late upload ho raha hai due to some technical issues. But yeah, we are going to cover buffer stock and PDS. Okay. So what is a buffer stock? And let me remind you that buffer stock and PDS are like buffer stock and PDS are the two major parts in the food security measures. Okay, a stock of a basic commodity acquired in a period of low or unstable prices and distributed in a period of high prices to stabilize the market. Okay, तो buffer stock क्या है? So it refers to the stock of food grains जो procured by the government through FCI. So buffer stock is a stock of food grains which is procured by the government through FCI. What is FCI? Food Corporation of India. We have studied Food Corporation of India in the last video. Okay, so buffer stock of a food grains in the central pool is maintained by the government in India or by the central government for meeting the prescribed minimum buffer stock norms for food security. Now, what is food security? Food security is availability, accessibility, and affordability of all food grains to all for a healthy living. Okay, this food security is also covered in our last video. The link is shared in the description box. Monthly release of food grains for supply through targeted public distribution system and other welfare schemes, meeting emergency situations arising out of unexpected crop failure, natural disasters, etc., and price stabilization for market intervention to augment supply so as to help moderate the open market prices. ओके सर बफर स्टॉक क्या है? बफर स्टॉक एक स्टॉक है फूड ग्रेन्स का जो कैलकुलेट होता है, मतलब जो मेंटेन होता है अंदर गवर्नमेंट, एंड गवर्नमेंट फिर कैलकुलेट करती है प्राइसेस एंड देन उसको चीप से चीप प्राइसेस पे सबको प्रोवाइड करती है. ओके, now we move on to the PDS, public distribution system. So what is a PDS? So it is a system sponsored by the government. So it is a chain of shops entrusted with the work of distributing basic food and non-food commodities to the needy sections of the society at very cheap prices. Wheat, rice, kerosene, sugar, etc. are a few major commodities distributed by the public distribution system. So what is PDS? PDS एक ऐसा system है, public distribution एक ऐसा system है, एक ऐसा measure है under food security taken by the government. So it's taken like it's sponsored by the government. So food security पब्लिक डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन सिस्टम के अंदर कुछ शॉप्स आती हैं एज अ चेन जो नीडी से नीडी पर्सन को, मतलब पुअरेस्ट ऑफ पुअर पुअर लोगों को, वो लोग कम से कम चीप प्राइसेस पे उनकी बेसिक नेसेसिटीज जो हैं जैसे बेसिक फूड एंड नॉन फूड कमोडिटीज वो प्रोवाइड करते हैं लाइक व्हीट, राइस, केरोसिन, शुगर एक्सेट्रा. Now, Food Corporation of India, a government entity, manages the public distribution system. So, Food Corporation of India, it also manages the buffer stock and as well as the PDS. Food Corporation of India, FCI. Okay. Now, the system is often blamed for its inefficiency and rural-urban bias. It has not been able to fulfill the objective for which it was formed. Moreover, it has frequently been criticized for instances of corruption and black marketing. तो इस पॉइंट में हम लोग को क्या पता चल रहा है that public distribution system has been a failure of for more and more of times. Why? Because of the corruption and black marketing in it. ओके, जैसे कि अगर कोई दुकान वाला वो द वेइंग मशीन जो रहती है उसमें अगर कुछ प्रॉब्लम रहती है तो उसको अगर ठीक ना कराएं, सो दैट कम्स एट द एज अ करप्शन एंड ब्लैक मार्केटिंग. बिकॉज अगर वो वेइंग मशीन अगर गलत अमाउंट बता रही है, सो द पुअर पर्सन इज रिसीविंग लेस एंड लेस अमाउंट. ओके, so under PDS there are three kinds of ration cards. Antodaya cards for the poorest of poor, BPL cards for the people below poverty line, APL cards for the people above poverty line. So you can see an example is given below for the BPL cards. Okay. So what is the Antodaya cards? Antodaya Yojana. So Antyodaya Anna Yojana was launched in December 2001. Under this scheme, 1 crore of the poorest among the poor families were covered under the targeted public distribution system. 25 kilograms of food grains were made available to each eligible family at a highly subsidized rate of rupees 2 per kg for wheat and rupees 3 per kg for rice. सो अंत्योदय योजना कार्ड्स मतलब अंत्योदय योजना ये था द फॉर द पीपल पुअरेस्ट ऑफ पुअर मीन्स बाय द पर्सन सफरिंग फ्रॉम क्रॉनिक पुअर ओके सो पुअरेस्ट ऑफ पुअर का मतलब जिनको नॉर्मली खाना भी नसीब नहीं होता तो उन लोग के लिए ये था सो उन लोग को अंत्योदय कार्ड्स मिलते थे जिसके थ्रू उन लोग को चीप से चीप प्राइसेस जैसे कि एज मेंशन रुपीज 2 पर केजी फॉर वीट ओके सो 1 किलो के लिए 1 किलो वीट के लिए आटा के लिए उन लोग को खाली 2 रुपए पे करना था एंड फॉर राइस दे हैड टू पे ओनली 3 रुपीज ओके फ्रॉम अप्रैल 2002 this quantity was raised from 25 kg to 35 kg okay. The scheme has been further explained twice by additional 50 lakh BPL families in June 2003 and in August 2004. This was with this increase 2 crore families have been covered under the AAY. के AAY मतलब अंत्योदया Anna Yojana. Now there is one more scheme, Annapurna scheme. So the scheme came into effect from April 2000. It aims at providing food security to meet the requirements of the poor senior citizens. Okay. Now what is BPL? BPL का फुल फॉर्म मतलब बिलो पॉवर्टी लाइन मतलब BPL कार्ड्स थे BPL का वो जो था बेसिक एम वो था उन लोगों के लिए जो पॉवर्टी लाइन के बिलो थे एंड APL का अबव पॉवर्टी लाइन सो उन लोग के लिए था जो पॉवर्टी लाइन के अबव थे ओके. So with this, we finish our agriculture chapter of economics, grade 9, and the links for the first two videos of this chapter is shared in the description box. Do have a look and do like my video, share, and in comments if any doubt do ask. Okay, bye. Thank you.